have already created master rod, articulated rod and piston. Now only these parts are remaining. As you can see that these are very small parts. We will be creating all of them in one video. So let's start with the master rod bearing. You can see the length of this bearing is 70 units and these are the dimensions for rings. Okay, the circle, so here 52 and 46. So we'll be creating this using revolve operation. So let's go and select front plane. We create an axis. Then we create a rectangle. We constrain the center of this rectangle with origin as vertically aligned. Then we'll put on the dimensions of these rings as 52 and 46. This line goes with the dimension of 46. This one 52. Then click somewhere else, open space, to get rid of this consideration of axis. Select this line and say the length is 70. Finish the sketch, use revolve command. Axis, select this line. Name it master rod bearing. Save. I'll start with the new file. Come to this part, rod bush up. I have a trick actually. What I will do is go back to this master rod bearing. I will use save as command and we'll write over here rod bush upper. Save it. We'll go to the sketch and make changes in the dimensions 42, 24, 22. 42, 22, finish, save it, and it's updated. We could have created a configuration where these parts are different from each other. I preferred not to create a configuration. Instead of that, create a separate part itself. It's totally up to you if you really considering creating the configuration and saving it as a single file. You can do that too. I'll go to new file. Here we are going to create this piston ring. So as we are going to create a rectangle of dimension such a way that the ring diameter will be applied 85 and 93. Go to front plane, create sketch, center rectangle, an axis, revolve about, and then the dimensions 85 and 93. 85, 93. Width is 3 and we have a cut over here. After revolving, we'll be adding that cut. To select the center of the rectangle and make it vertical with origin. Revolve it using this axis. Then again we'll go to front plane, create sketch, and we'll create 3-point center rectangle. Now the dimension of this rectangle is such that this is 1. The orientation is such a way that it's at a 135 degree with the vertical line. Now just to fully define the sketch, I will say that distance between two lines, point and this edge, is some definite value. To use extruded cut operation, you can click on any of the direction. Let's say I want to cut it from here only. Through all, we have a cut. Now we are going to create a link pin. Start with the new file. Go to front plane, create sketch, create a center line. Then again going into the line command to create the shape. Looking at the dimensions, this is 43, 7, and 10, and 15. This is 43. This is 7, 10, 15. We will use the revolve command to revolve the cross section about this axis. We save this file as pin. Now again, if you look at the rod bush lower, you know what to do. Go to this file, rod bush upper, use save as command, say image rod bush lower. Once it is saved, you should notice that the name is changed over here. Now you can put on this dimension, so 24, 15, and 12. Go to the sketch, 24, 12, 15. Sketch, save it again. Piston pin plug. You know what to do. We have a same shape over here, link pin. Let's just save as. Just save this so that everything is updated. Hit save as. You can name it as piston pin plug. Save. Go into the values. Change them. This is 3, this is 12, and this is 11, and 22. 3, 12, 10, 22. Just cross check it first. 3, 12, 11, and 22. Now we have to add a fillet of radius 2. Select this edge or bottom face. Go to fillet, add the value of 2 units. Finish the operation. Click save button to update the result. Piston pin. Rod bush lower. Save as. Piston pin. Save, put the sketch, update the dimensions. Length is 80, diameter is 22 and 11. 80, diameter is 22, 11. Finish. Click Save to update the operation. So this is how we have finished creating all of the models for our assembly. Next video we will be assembling these parts.